Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake a lemon poppy seed cake. Let's get started. I use self-rising flour. Add a little salt, baking powder, sift them together, then set aside. Prepare some softened unsalted butter. Add some sugar to the butter. Cream butter and sugar together until very pale in color, light in texture and fluffy. Add the lemon zest. Vanilla extract. Poppy seeds. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. My recipe has 4 eggs. Beat in 1 whole egg at a time with 1 spoon of sifted flour. Repeat this step for another 3 times. After adding 4 eggs, gently blend in the remaining sifted flour. Transfer the cake batter to the baking tin. Bake the cake for 45 to 50 minutes. After 47 minutes, the stick comes out clean, meaning the cake is ready. Remove the cake from the baking tin and let it cool down. While waiting, I will make the lemon glacé. Lukewarm lemon juice. Gradually mix with sifted powdered sugar. The consistency will be like this. Pour the lemon glacé onto the surface of the cake. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this lemon poppy seed cake cost me $10. I'm going to enjoy this lemon poppy seed cake with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.